Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're in my room right now and I'm currently like redecorating some things. This is my desk and I used to have a clothing rack in this space right here, but I realized I didn't want there to be such a gap between like my bed and, well, this used to be much closer covering my window, but I wanted to have more space. So I've been on the hunt for a narrow clothing rack and I finally found one from West Elm. So I'm gonna put it together and give it a test. And this clothing rack is the Monroe Trades, which is really cool because they're like a local family-owned business. So when I came across this rack and I was like, it meets my dimensions because I wanted a rack that was not more than 20 inches wide. So I got it in black, gunmetal, I believe is the color, and it should be a really easy assembly. It was just delivered today. Got home from work and I was so excited. But yeah, so you guys are gonna watch me put it together and I'm gonna do like a clothing test with some of my clothes. So let's go.
So that's about it. This rack was really easy to assemble, and for the price, it holds quite a lot of clothes. I didn't even put the maximum amount, and it's very sturdy. I would definitely recommend it, and I'll definitely leave the link to it in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.